1. Open the box and take out the fan unit along with all included accessories. Second, installation options. Option A, align the main unit with the base tray and rotate it clockwise to secure. To detach, rotate the unit counterclockwise. Option B, one extension rod. Twist one extension rod clockwise into the base tray. Align the main fan unit with the rod's locking slot and rotate it clockwise to secure. To detach, reverse the steps by rotating counterclockwise. Option C, two extension rods. Twist the first rod clockwise into the base tray, then install the second rod by twisting it clockwise. Finally, mount the fan unit on top by rotating it clockwise. To remove, twist each part off counterclockwise in reverse order. Three, operating instructions. Plug in the fan and remote control guide. Before first use, remove the plastic insulator strip from the battery compartment. Power on. When using the remote control, make sure to point it horizontally toward the black sensor strip on the fan body. Ionizer button, short press to activate. Child lock button, short press to toggle. Horizontal oscillation, short press to cycle through swing angles. Vertical oscillation button. Use plus or minus to adjust fan speed. Mode button, short press to switch between natural mode, auto temp sensing, sleep, standard. Timer button, short press to cycle through 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. Power off. Operating instructions. Plug in the fan and press the power button to turn it on. Use plus or minus to adjust fan speed. Press the horizontal oscillation button to choose from 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 120 degree swing angles. Press the vertical oscillation button to adjust up and down swing. Press the mode button to switch between 4 modes. Press the timer button to select a shutdown time. Press and hold both oscillation buttons, horizontal and vertical, to enable child lock. Press and hold again to disable. Press the display/ionizer button. Short press, turn off screen display. Long press, turn on/off negative ion feature.